In the world of middleweight naked motorcycles, the Kawasaki Z400 has always stood out as a perfect balance between beginner-friendly control and real street performance. In recent updates leading into the 2026 model discussions, the Z400 continues its strong presence with a Sugoi-inspired design philosophy that gives it an aggressive Streetfighter look. While there is no completely new generation, Kawasaki has refined the model with updated colors, sharper styling cues, and improved market positioning to keep it fresh against rivals in the 400cc class. The Kawasaki Z400 Custom scene has exploded globally, especially among riders who love personalizing their bikes into unique street machines. Custom builders are taking the lightweight trellis frame and transforming it into eye-catching Streetfighters with aftermarket parts like LED indicators, tail tidy kits, crash guards, bar end mirrors, and sporty exhaust systems. Many riders also go for custom paint jobs, often using matte black, neon accents, or racing-inspired graphics that enhance the aggressive stance of the Z series. At its core, the Z400 is powered by a 398cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces around 48 horsepower. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery, making it ideal for both city riding and highway cruising. Riders appreciate how predictable the throttle response feels, which is a big reason why it is one of the most recommended bikes for new riders stepping into the world of performance motorcycles. Even after customization, the engine remains reliable and easy to maintain, which adds to its popularity in the modification community. One of the biggest highlights in custom builds is the transformation of ergonomics. Stock Z400 already has a comfortable upright riding position, but custom setups often push it further toward comfort or aggression depending on the rider's style. Some riders install wider handlebars for better control in city traffic, while others go for clip-ons and rear-set foot pegs to create a more race-inspired posture. These changes completely alter the personality of the bike, making each Z400 build feel unique. Suspension and handling upgrades are also a major part of the custom culture. Many owners upgrade the rear monoshock or adjust fork settings to improve cornering stability and ride comfort. Lightweight aftermarket wheels and performance tires are another popular modification, giving the bike sharper handling and better grip on twisty roads. With its already light chassis, even small upgrades can make a noticeable difference in performance feel. Technology-wise, the Z400 remains simple compared to bigger modern bikes, but custom builders often add smart upgrades like digital TFT displays, phone mounts with charging systems, and Bluetooth modules for navigation and music control. These additions turn the bike into a more modern machine without losing its raw riding character. Lighting upgrades, especially full LED conversions, are also common for both visibility and style enhancement. In terms of 2026 market presence, the Kawasaki Z400 continues to be a strong competitor in the entry-level naked segment against bikes like Yamaha MT-03 and KTM Duke 390. Its main strength remains its balance, offering enough power for excitement while staying manageable for everyday riders. This is exactly why the custom community continues to grow around it, because it provides a solid platform that can be styled in countless directions. Overall, the Kawasaki Z400 custom motorcycle scene reflects a mix of practicality and creativity. Whether it's a clean street build or a fully aggressive stunt-inspired machine, the Z400 adapts easily to different styles. Its reliability, lightweight design, and responsive engine make it one of the most flexible platforms in the 400cc category, and that's why it continues to gain attention among riders worldwide.